So the submersible manga, it's quite interesting that it's breathing or pulsating, and I have to figure this out, or want to understand why it would breathe like this. So the reasons the guys are telling me is what's the reason? Oh yeah, if there's another submersible close by, they would be fighting for water. That's their reason. I mean, that's sort of logical. However, I don't believe that's the case. I don't think it would be fighting with water because there's a submersible close by here, and I don't hear it running. So to me, there's something that this bore well is need to be improved upon. Either the behavior of the submersible is like this, although I don't think so. However, it's breathing, it's pulsating. It's pulsating once a second. 1001. Yeah, 1001. 1001. Yeah, it's pulsating once a second. So I'm gonna do some look-see and see in the internet and see what's up with this. So I've been watching this submersible, and this thing is self-regulating. So basically the wattage right now is 2800 watt, and because of the drawdown of the voltage, it's at 205, and the RPM is 3600. If I wanted or needed the submersible to have more outflow, it should be at maximum 4000. However, the amperage and voltage and the RPM is related to temperature. So this box is warm or hot. So the hotter the box gets, the RPM will drop, for example, from 36 to 3000. And when it does that, the outflow will drop as well. So so my plan in the future is to have this cooled down by, let me see, Peltier, by a Peltier device to cool it down. So that's one of the things that I will be planning to do in the future.